We can see in the notification tab I have received a bat pattern on the daily time frame, which has formed here on GBP against Poland currency, and we can see how this looks. As I mentioned in the previous week analysis, and also how the bat pattern is the best one. The bat pattern works the best if you have a trend that is formed and then making the price some kind of a breakout from this trend, and then forming a bat pattern, which most of the time is a valid one that will push the price back to the trend. So as it looks right now, we have a downtrend here on GBP against Poland, and then the price has made a breakout to the upside and formed here a bat pattern. We can see this is a entry zone for the price, potential reversal zone, this gray area for the price, where you can also find an entry idea. Now, making the analysis on the daily time frame based on the technical analysis, also price action, you can define is this a valid one or not. As it looks right now, we can see that the price has reached this strong price level, which is also on a weekly time frame a valid one, so the price has stopped right here. We can see that the point has formed here, but we have here a potential reversal zone that is stretching above here where the next resistance area is. So if we make the analysis after the price has made a strong breakout to the upside, we can see a strong bullish candles stopped right here. When the price in the past has formed and made a breakout from here, we can see a strong bullish candles reaching this price level here and then return back down and then return again down. The next attempt was the same case, the third attempt was the same case. Now the price is trying for the fourth time to make a breakout to the upside, where the price is reached around this price level. So in the past, the price has formed these two potential breakouts, and two times the price has reached this price level. So this will be a potential reversal zone for me as entry idea. So this is 5.42 as entry possible, and also a stop loss is above, which is next to here. For me, the stop loss could be placed right down here, because it is the end of this supply zone in the upper part, where the price could not reach after reaching this price level. We can see that the price could not reach this above, and it has dropped significantly. So if the entry idea is here around this price level, the stop loss would be here, and I'm expecting that the price will try reach the first profit target, and that would be around this one, which is a start of this demand zone. If the price drops down again, we can see this attempt the price has dropped down, this attempt the price has dropped down, this attempt the price has dropped down. So three times after the price has tried to reach higher price levels, the price dropped down. So the price has reached for sure the first profit target, but the second profit target is very unlikely, because we can see that the price is below this demand zone, and I'm expecting that the lowest one where the price could reach is this one here. So I would move these targets to these price levels, and also the stop loss to these price levels. If the price goes above, this will mean that this pattern is not valid, so the stop loss would be here as a quicker way until the price reaches this supply zone, where we can see that the good price also bounced and reached this one here. So if the bat pattern, as it looks right now, for me it is a valid one, and I would expect that the price could reach this price level around 5.42 and then drop it down. If the price reaches this price level here, I would move also my stop loss below the entry, just for in case if the price continues to rise up and returns back up, making this bat pattern as invalid one. So it is better to stay on the safe side and close this trade as a break even, or at least small number of pips in the profit, than to wait until the price reaches your stop loss level. If the price goes below this price level, which is the first support and also demand zone, I would also move my stop loss below the next, this one, supply zone, just in case to be in more pips than being break even or having stop loss here. So it is some kind of a trailing by stop loss as the price continues to move down. Based on the price action analysis, we can see there is no price action signals here, but if the price is bouncing on a Friday after the strong bullish moves. If we go to the weekly time frame, we will see how this looks. Just a minute, let's remove all the patterns. After the price has made a breakout, we can see there is a strong possibility that the price will fall down after the price reaches this one. On the weekly time frame, we can see on the first attempt the price returned back down, second attempt the price returns back down, on the third attempt price returned back down. So there is a high probability that the price will continue to move down, reaching at least here where the lower side is of these weekly candles, which means around 5.28, which is also a first take profit on the bat pattern on the daily time frame. So this is the idea how I'm looking at this bat pattern, and also harmonic scanner has sent it to me a telegram notification when this bat pattern is formed. So pay attention on these signals I have mentioned, and that is the bat pattern is mostly valid when there is a trend. In this case we are in the downtrend, and that is mostly visible on the daily time frame. You can see it here, bat pattern, it is in the downtrend, and when that downtrend or the uptrend has been broken, it is formed a bat pattern with a potential reversal zone with the profit targets. So this is the case. When the price was falling down, the price has made a breakout to the upside, but could not go above this resistance, where there is opportunity that the price will fall down again. So this is the signal for the bat pattern, where I'm expecting that it will be a valid one, but I will pay attention to this in the following weeks. If you would like to see how this works, and also to learn more how to make the analysis, and also how to put these support and resistance levels with the demand zones I have put here, you can see it on the daily time frame, you can learn that inside the trading community I have formed as a gold member. If you join, you will see much more details, and also how to use a trading platform, MT4 and MT5, and also how to start and learn the basics, what is lot size, what is the pip margin, and so on. Everything else will be available inside, but also you will see the Excel file I am sharing with you as a trader. What are the most profitable patterns on the scanner, starting small, from the smaller time frames to the higher time frames, and also from all the patterns that exist inside the scanner. If you would like to get that, everything is available inside the Gold member section. See you there.